welcome to Tech. I'm delighted to have you back on my channel. If you are new to this channel, remember to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check if your phone number has been forwarded or your calls SMS has been forwarded to another number which you are not aware of. People can use this to spy on you, your calls, a person can track your calls and all that. So I'm going to show you how to detect that and how you can remove that with an ease, but just a very short code. So let's see how we can check that. There's going to be two codes and I'm going to explain all of them. So the first one, just dial *#21# and then just send it to any of your numbers. So I'm going to try my MTN first and see if any of my calls have been forwarded. So we can see from my screen it's saying that not forwarded. That's voice. That means my calls not forwarded, my data not forwarded, my fax, SMS, everything not forwarded. I'm going to try the same code on my Vodafone and see. So *#21#. I'm going to try this on my Vodafone as well and see if my numbers are not forwarded. So you can see not forwarded. So nothing has happened to my number. So I'm going to try the second code. So this is the other code you can use to do the same thing. So that's going to be *#62#. This is another number or code, short code, USSD code you can use. So I'll dial this one again and send it to my MTN. I send this to my MTN, also the same. So this working, the first code is working, this is also working. So if I try this for other numbers, it's going to work as well. But let's see, assume you try this and then you can see that your call or your number has been, your calls or SMS has been forwarded to a number. How do you go about it, or how do you stop that? Stay tuned, that is what I'm going to teach you next. So basically your voice calls or data or SMS can be forwarded to other numbers. So we're going to use this SSD code to clear that. So just dial #002#. So this is the code we're going to use. So let's try for the first one, which is MTN. So I'm going to send this code to my MTN. So I send this and let's see what is going to say. Call forwarding or erase successful. So you see, assuming you have any call forwarding, this is going to erase it. You can see this on my screen that erase successful. If you try it on your Vodafone, the same. So that's going to be #002#, and I'm going to try this on my Vodafone as well. So assume you have call forwarding to a different number, I can use this step to erase it successful. Remember to subscribe to this channel because I have another video coming. I'm going to show you how you can easily use WhatsApp web on your phone or on your PC browser without having to use your phone. You don't need to have your phone online. You can easily use that. So stay tuned for that, and I have so many techniques I'm going to teach you on this channel. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. Till I come your way another time, stay tuned and keep visiting Tech. Bye bye.